Hello everyone and welcome to another new video where I will be narrating again. In this video, however, we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to see how you can catch any train you want. Now, we're not going to be doing this on Instagram or Facebook, okay? We're only going to be doing this on YouTube, okay? So, as you could see, what comes up first in recommended searches is Tehachapi Live Train Cam, which we're gonna click on in a second, but we need to know something first. It depends on where you live. Let's say you live in Arizona. You're gonna wanna look for live rail cams around your Arizona area. Wherever you are, look for live rail cams around your area. In my case, I am in Tehachapi Town, and therefore I'm going to be looking for live cameras in Tehachapi. So let's begin. And there we are. Also, you need to look for live cameras that are in your area, either north or south of you, or east or west of you. In my case, Edison is west of me, while Mojave is east of me. So therefore, we're going to be looking for eastbound trains with the Edison camera, while for Mojave, we're going to be checking for westbound trains. So how about we look for westbound trains with the Mojave camera first? And you see we're going to be rewinding here. There we go. Oh, looks like we already have something. And it is westbound, but it does not have any engines up front. I guess that's just some sort of local freight or something. Let's keep rewinding. Oh! What is that? Well, it is another train, but that's just a slow yard movement. You could see that there's a yard in Mojave. By the way, trains coming from Mojave to Tehachapi Town take anywhere from 20 minutes to a little over an hour. It depends on what type of train it is and the level of train traffic on that particular day. Anyways, we're still rewinding and we're not seeing any official trains. It says this was 59 minutes ago. So, and most trains coming from Mojave to Tehachapi Town don't take that long to get there. So, we saw a couple trains here, but neither of them were actual road trains. So I think we're gonna have to look for eastbound trains from the Edison cam. Trains coming from here take anywhere from 1.5 hours to somewhere over 3 hours. So, a little longer than the Mojave cam, but trains do come from here, so we need to check. By the way, in the bottom middle of the screen, you can kind of see that I'm rewinding minute after minute, obviously backwards. If you even know what I'm talking about, we have to rewind very carefully. Oh, I think that was an intermodal. Yep, but it's going westbound, and that went through 30 minutes ago, so that ain't gonna work out for me. Let's keep rewinding. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's definitely another train. Went through 45 minutes ago, it says. There we go. So this one went through a little while before the intermodal did. And it is eastbound. And you have got to be kidding me. What are those engines? We need to see this. I think that's a former Burlington Northern SDP-40, an F unit, and I think that's one of the very few BNSF SD9s. We need to go catch this for sure. Come on and let's go. So let's come to our conclusion. If you know where Boron is, then you've probably realized that I've long missed the train by the time I got to Tehachapi Town, but it did still go through. Evidence of that is that I saw this exact same train on the Tehachapi Loop camera, the cable camera, which is in between the Loop and Depot cameras, the Tehachapi Town Depot camera, and even the Mojave camera. The train was obviously going eastbound. Anyways, you've also probably realized that I've never got a photo of it when it was either at the cable or Mojave cameras, but I did still see it on those two cameras. Anyways, the first time I spotted the train was at Boron, and from there, I chased it until I was roughly 15 miles west of Barstow, which is extremely far away from my area. Trust me, ever since I started using this live camera checking technology since April of 2023, it's always been a reliable, helpful, and useful way of checking, determining, and finding trains in my area, especially with this one, even though I never caught it in town. I've caught millions and hundreds and dozens of rare trains with this live camera checking technology, and this was one of them. There's many of these trains are on my channel, including this one. In fact, stay tuned for this train's full video. I mean, its main video. Also, here's a bit of advice. Don't assume that the train will take a while to get to your area, unless if it's a slow train that's very, very far away. However, if it's nearby, I recommend that you leave immediately and then determine where the best place to catch the train is. A way to determine where the train will be coming is experience. Usually, trains take longer to get to places than by car, and it also depends on the type of train. Usually, intermodal trains or container trains are the fastest, but usually, most other types of trains, especially loaded coal trains, loaded tanker trains, and manifest trains, will take longer. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any new videos, and comment if you have any thoughts, suggestions, or video ideas.